Hello folks, That Guy Flies RC. We're out here at the Avon Park field. We're going to take up the G44 Widgeon for the last time this evening. Third flight, third time up, third battery. And man, this I just cannot express, I can't say enough good things about this plane. I just absolutely am loving this plane. There's no gyro, there's a gyro installed, but it's turned off. I've been flying all this time without it. Didn't even realize it was off. I thought it was on. No, it wasn't. The reason I found out, I thought, well, you know what? It's flying so good. That gyro is doing a good job. Let me turn it off and see what it's doing. Well, I turned it on and went into the wind. It started oscillating, overcompensating. I'm like, uh-oh, I don't have the gyro set right, and the gyro was off all this time. It don't need a gyro. And it doesn't. You don't need stabilization. This plane flies so smooth and so well on its own. I'm running a Spektrum 2200 smart cell in her right now. And do a nice flat turn there. Try to anyways. But like I say, I am learning this plane. She'll do a nice smooth turn if you do a little bit of rudder. I mean, I guess a little mix would be nice in there. But I tell you what, I just can't get over it. How much I'm enjoying this plane. She just, and you say, well, she doesn't look like she's flying all that great. Well, see, that's part of the thing is when you become a pilot and you get used to flying, after a while you develop a feel of the plane through your transmitter. And I can tell you, she feels great. She feels rock solid, locked in. And she just flies so good. I just can't get over how well she flies. And her ground handling is awesome too. Be very aerobatic for you. But you don't have to fly her fast. I mean, she cruises along nice and easy with no problem at all. No problem at all. I know I keep saying I'm just overwhelmed. I am. I'm just so impressed with this plane. Like I said, this is the third time ever that I have flown this plane. Oh, look at that, look at that. All right, we got 1:17 seconds. Let me show you how nice and easy she'll take off. Look at that, not even half throttle. And she's in the air. Cannot wait to fly this plane off of water. And that's where she's supposed to really shine. Whoa. Okay, got nuts there. That was stupid. All right, let's see if we can't land better this time. Hold on. I forgot the rule here. You need to, well, without this, you need to land with a little bit of power, and she's not a glider. But anyways, whenever you're learning a plane, maiden a plane, you know, you're taking that plane for the first, you know, you're not, or you haven't flown in a long time. All right, folks. That is the FT Widgeon. I'm just absolutely blown away by this plane. Absolutely blown away. Just such a fun plane to fly. Thank you for watching. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm going to tell you, go get this plane. Bye-bye.